Hey guys, this is Lori at TMI Gifts. We are going to do a Valentine's bow today, and we're going to do a little something different. I did some purple the other day, and I think purple's kind of catching on. And we have this conversation heart ribbon here, and it is so cute. I love this conversation heart ribbon. It's one of my favorites. So the customer liked the bow that I made the other day, but they wanted to put a little twist on it. So they wanted some of this black and white Harlequin that we have, but they wanted some purple in with it. So I'm just doing a little bit of a different layering here. So we're gonna make this bow, and we're gonna make 2 bows for their boxwood. This is the pattern we're gonna use. This is the color palette here. Okay, and this is gonna be just a Lori loop bow here. Harlequin with the Demask print. It's one of my favorites. We want some good tails here. We want a good size bow for them. This goes, I believe these bows, I'm not sure if they go at their business or at their home, but they usually try to fill in and get these bows every season. Can up here. Okay. Now on this conversation heart, the words are running one way, so I'm going to do a loop with a shorter tail here, and even though they're running all one way, I'm going to do a loop at the bottom because I want one of these tails up at the top. And the tail, you're going to be able to read it at the top. So these are a little bit shorter tails on them, the one that's at the top and just the one at the bottom as well. Dovetail. And then I want to use some of this purple little gingham check here. Another long tail here with just a loop. And it's kind of bringing out the purple that's in the bag. And it's a really deep purple that has a little bit of pink and white in it. Love the little gingham. It helps just tie all the purples in together. And then we're going to take some of this pink, a little tail at the top. A loop. This is a 7/8 inch velvet pink. It's a really good product. We use the end of that roll. Gives a good curl. We want that very long. I'm going to take a zip tie. I'm going to do 2 zip ties here. We're going to zip tie the center part here. Purple. It's the catch-all. We're going to see lots of different purples this year. Lavenders and purples and okay.
That's cute.
Dovetail the ends here. Pull your ribbon. Conversation heart needs a little dovetail. I think everything else is good. On the 7/8, I just usually like to cut it at a diagonal. You can dovetail it. I have been known to dovetail it sometimes, but that's going to be our bow. We're going to make her 1 more of these bows to go on there. Look at that. Several different places that you can put this wreath on your wreath.